students. To register for spectrum screening test by the Pathshala, you need to open your Play Store and search for the spectrum screening test. It is showing at the top. You just see the icon. It is having spectrum type icon right here. If you are not able to search in Play Store, we are also giving a link in the description of this video. You can click on that video and you can be this link will open your app in Play Store directly. Okay, just click on this. Install option is coming. Install the app. See, app is installed. Now just open to register. After opening app, the page like this will open. It will ask you to enter the email ID. Okay, so you have to enter your email ID. Remember, this email ID should be accessible to you, because one time password OTP will be sent on this. With that OTP only you can move forward, right? So you have to enter your OTP. New student, enter your OTP. Old student who are reinstalling the app, also enter the OTP. Oh, sorry, email. Suppose I am entering my email, right? This is my email and I am clicking on login. On clicking, it will check whether you have account or not. If you have account, it will send the OTP. If you don't have account with us in this app, it will ask you to register. Suppose, see, it is asking us to register. Okay, it is asking for various things, but here two things are very important and they should be unique. One is your email ID that is always used to log in. Another is your mobile number. With one mobile and one email, only one account can be registered. Okay, enter detail. See, I have entered all the detail. Okay, name, father's name, mobile number, address and pin code. See, the mobile numbers, email and details are used are not real, so don't try to call on that. Those numbers are not real. Okay. Now just at last you have to select your class. Okay, in which class you will be in next session. Just select your class accordingly. See, 8 going to 9, 9 going to 10, whatever it is, your present class and your next class, your class in next session. Suppose you are having in 10th class, you are going to 11th, then there are two options: 10 to 11th aiming JEE, 10 to 11 aiming NEET. So select accordingly. If your aim is IIT, select aiming JEE. If your aim is NEET medical, or your aim is to be a doctor, then select NEET. Okay, select your option accordingly. Suppose I want to be in IITN, so I will select 10 to 11 going aiming JEE. Then center code is always 1. Just sign up. After sign up, it will make your account. Okay, then will redirect you towards screen. Yeah, login screen. See, login screen, your email is already copied. Okay, just click on login. After clicking on login, it will send the OTP to your email address. Okay, see, it is redirecting here. An email has been sent to your and OTP has been sent to you by email. Okay, just check your email and enter OTP here. If you are not getting OTP on email, just there are some options: call Lalpur Center, call Doronda Center. Some other options are also there: call or WhatsApp to spectrum test coordinator, or you can also call or WhatsApp to academic team. Okay, just choose the options which suits you. Okay, I got OTP, I'm entering. Okay, OTP is correct and it redirected to terms and condition, just a formality. Okay, see, the option will come, it will ask to allow. Okay, see, your page will be loaded, and our interface of this app is just like WhatsApp. As in WhatsApp you are getting the messages, so from us all type of services, whether it is message, mock test, real test, answer sheet, everything will come here just like a WhatsApp, right? And I will explain you how to give mock test, sample paper, etc. Okay, I will explain you in the video, because other things are available here. The help section is there. In this help section, click on help section and you can see the other videos, right? Here are some other options also there. Call and the contact details are there, and everything. You can refresh the page from here also. Various details are here for your reference. Thank you. See, for other details, how to give test, how to give mock test, if you are not clear, then you can go to this help section. Okay, remember this help section is there always for you. Thank you.